Hello everyone, let's continue our project, build a simple vector map application. In the previous video, we created relationship between our map data and screen data. And today we're going to draw the map data on the screen using drawing APIs. Now let's get started. So I think at first we are going to dealing with the polygon map layer. We need graphics as a parameter. So at first we define a point. Then we start our iteration for the all day blocks. And because I've explained that our polygon data layer, how we store the data structure, because our polygon data layer, it includes subpolygons. So we use segment. We use a segment field to separate every subpolygon. So here we need an index. This index can separate the actual longitude and latitude data array and separate them into separate them into subpolygons. So here is our logic. Sorry. Here for every subpolygon. Okay, we use the index here. Segment J. And we need to plus pause. So at first it's 0, then it equals the value of segment J. and for this value we need to transform into the screen value using the word to screen method. Sorry. And y is the same. Put it into the PTGeo array. So after this iteration, we need to increase indexed value. At this point, every PTGeo array holds the subpolygon we want to draw. So we use the drawing API. At first, we fill in polygon. So here we use a brush, a system brush, for example, with the pink color. And this is a points array. We use this method ptdraw to array. And we draw the borderline. Draw polygon. We use pens black. So here's the same way using the two array methods. Okay, I think that's it. This is our draw polygon layer method. Now we can finally test this method. Here, here is a form design, and of course we need to put a, let's say, a picture box to represent our screen. We are drawing in this picture box. So okay, let's increase its size, and we've read the data. So in the picture box, we need a method. We need a paint method. Okay, here we'll draw our polygon map at first, but at first we need to graphics. So which one? Map layer 1 is our polygon layer. Draw polygon. Okay. So we draw the polygon, and let's look at whether it works. I think it works. It draw the polygon layer of the map, and actually is whole city areas. Now let's continue our methods to draw a line and a points layer, because it's similar to the polygon layer drawing method. I will copy some codes and save the video time. So here is the draw polyline and draw points layer. So at first the draw polyline layer, the draw polyline method. Draw polyline layer. So it's the same point, but it's more easier than the draw polygon layer because it don't have the sub-polygon structure. So we just transform into screen points and draw lines. We use green so we can have the road system. We have the road system as polyline on our map. So the third method is the draw point method. So we call this draw points layer, and of course we need a so here I think we needed to legend the points. We draw we needed to symbol the points. We draw the name of the point. Beside this point, we use a small field ellipse indicate the point, and then we use offset. It means we near this small circle, we will draw string. We will draw the name of the name of every point, and so we created a new fort here. And after we use this fort, we dispose it to avoid the system resource leaking. So it's our draw point layer method. Here, okay, we'll test it in our UI parts. So because we've wrote the data already, we just simply draw them. I think it will works. So that's it, and we will set our form the window state to maximized, so it will start as a maximized window form. And our map is still this small because we have set up a default value, the default extent, but we haven't do anything more to set the size. Here the map for map. So here we have the default map extent and the default screen size. So I think the picture box has a method, has a resize method. Here we'll put some codes, and for example, okay, we have to use an object here to call the screen resize. So screen left. So we use picture box 1 dot left. Yeah. Picture box 1 dot top. Picture box 1 dot right. Picture box 1 dot bottom. Then we need to repaint our picture box. We call invalidate. Okay. Oh, only the polygon layer enlarged. I think this is something we can reconstruct after we finished the whole application. But here we just do this simple copy and paste. Sorry. And let's see the, one more thing. Let's see the drawing order. At first we draw the polygon layer, and then the line layers and the points layer, but I think actually we need to put the line layer on the bottom. So here we change the order of drawing. All right, so far so good. Everything looks fine, though. I think this is what we are. This is what we discussed today, and thank you very much. See you next time.